Hi everyone, today's look is the laziest makeup look you'll ever see. This is the bare minimum, the most minimum of all the minimums. Eyebrows, lashes, lips, done, frame the face, go live your best life. You know, sometimes you ain't got time for makeup. Or like me, you're just feeling lazy. So here it goes. Enjoy. Since I look dead, I am going to start with a tiny little bit of concealer under the eyes. When I say a little bit, I'm lying. Done. For foundation, I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear powder foundation because it's quick. I mean, this has pretty good coverage. I've not used that much of it, so you can still see my skin. You can make it full coverage if you feel like it, but you know, when I don't have the time or the patience to do my makeup, this is good enough. Then I'm using Benefit Dandelion blush. That's it, literally it. For my eyebrows, I'm just using this MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set. That's too much. My eyebrows are not cooperating today, so I'm just gonna let them be. Then I'm doing a couple of coats of mascara, of course. Look at that. How to look alive. Look at the difference. If you don't like mascara on the bottom lashes, just don't do it. For lips, I'm using this Bobbi Brown lipstick. It's called Pink Mauve. Done. This takes me about 3 minutes to do. There's no fuffing around with brushes and all kinds of things, okay? Look at the state of my hair right now. Oh, what is that? Yeah, that's fine.